Unit 17.
Conversation.
What's this?
It's a school.
Is it a large or a small school?
It's a large school.
How many students are there in the school?
There are a lot of students in the school.
Are there boys or girls in the school?
There are both boys and girls in the school.
Is there a library in the school?
Yes, there is.
Is there a hall in the school?
Yes, there is.
Is there a gymnasium in the school?
Yes, there is.
Are Tom and Carol Baker students in this school?
Yes, they are.
What are they doing now?
They're going into the school now. What's this?
It's the school hall.
How many seats are there in the hall?
There are a lot of seats in the hall.
Are there a lot of students in the hall now?
Yes, there are.
What are they doing?
They're watching a film.
What's the film about?
It's about London.
Who's sitting next to Dick Johnson? Tom Baker.
Tom Baker is sitting next to Dick Johnson.
How many teachers are standing next to the door?
There are 2 teachers standing next to the door.
Is the door open or closed?
It's closed. What time of day is it?
It's morning.
What are they doing?
They're going to school.
What time of day is it?
It's noon.
What are they doing?
They're eating lunch.
What time of day is it?
It's afternoon.
What are they doing?
They're going home.
What time of day is it?
It's evening.
What are they doing?
They're eating dinner.
What time of day is it?
It's night.
What are they doing?
They're going to bed. What day is today?
It's Monday.
What are Tom and Carol doing?
They're getting up.
Is it morning or afternoon?
It's morning.
What are they doing now?
They're having breakfast now.
What are they eating?
They're eating eggs.
What are they drinking?
They're drinking milk.
What are they doing now?
They're leaving the house now.
How are they going to school?
They're going to take the bus to school.
Dialogue.
Good morning. Good morning. What's the time? 9 o'clock. Did the bell ring? Not yet. What class have you got now? I've got history now.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.